Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the tow and haul package as well as the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing. You got that tow hitch backup camera. Over to the side here, we do have nice grip running board, side view camera of course, and moving to the front we do have 2 tow hooks, front park sensing of course, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle also comes equipped with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we do have this nice dark gray cloth interior. We do have plenty of door space with some leathering on the door. You have 2 cup holders right there, 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 just right there. And of course, if you need more space, you can always lift up the seats for additional room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are powered. We have that nice Ford logo right there. The same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space with leathering on the door. Your parking brake, lights, blind spot, and tailgate opener just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 6.8 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your main screen, phone and media, volume and voice, and cruise control just right there. Now taking a look at our screen, we have our main menu, which has My View, which has driving assist, configure My View, comm screen, trip 1, fuel economy, so on and so forth. We have trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status, information, phone, audio, and vehicle maintenance. Continuing our look over here, we do have a fair bit of storage here. 2 cup holders, storage right here with the USB and USB-C, rear locking differential, drive modes, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, and pro trailer assist, 12 volt outlet, 120 volt outlet. We have heated seats plus dual climate. You have your volume tune just right there. Auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction control. And we do get a fair bit of storage here. Clicking this button, you do get storage and storage in the glove compartment. And of course, we do get a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy. And looking at our drive modes, we do get normal, slippery, off-road, eco, sport, and we do get storage in the nice leather-wrapped glove compartment, which has a fair bit of storage. And looking at our main screen here, you do have your audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, what phone is connected or have been connected, your navigation, so you don't get lost, your fave app, which you can set up from here, messaging, email, sound, Wi-Fi hotspot, any apps you may have downloaded, such as your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your settings such as app, navigation, connectivity, so on and so forth, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD41424, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.